This is my first time writing anything, and it was really sudden. But I tried my best with it, and it's about how I'm mostly struggling in a lot of things. And what I want to talk about is it gives a little insight on some of my personal problems, and then like some other problems. But I'm trying my best not to give up. You know, sometimes I feel like people fear me because of the way I look. They shook like I'm about to hit them with the left hook. But real shit, I ain't that bad, just sad cause I lived most of my life without my dad. So I walk around with my head down, but when I'm at school I be acting like a class clown, but in my head, battling with the hellhound. Though I wrote this shit to talk about my pain, cause I'm sick and tired of playing these games, I shouldn't be ashamed to talk about myself and my health and really want to have my words felt. Though what I really want to talk about are the kids who trying to be thugs, only want to pull women and do drugs. Man, shit sucks. Like, you may think you cool, but think of the long run, fool. And this shit makes me mad, cause this is my generation. These are supposed to be the ones to rule the future nation.